Now, who knows how to march? Do you know how to march? How do you march? One foot comes up, just like we did playing popcorn, right? And we're going to keep time with Tammy's tambourine. Okay, so we're going to march. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. March. Now we're going to march backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then march forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over the head, and we're going to spin and turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to go on our knees and make a pose. Any pose you want, okay? And that's at the end. That's good.